Stop by and take a look at the 2022 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, tires, rear all-season, driver illuminated vanity mirror, dual rear wheels, privacy glass, fog lamps. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Want to make buying your new car faster, easier, and more enjoyable? You've come to the right place. That's because you can now calculate your payments, value your trade-in, and even apply for financing right here through our secure website on every device you use. This simple online experience means that once you get to the dealership, you'll be able to review and sign your deal quickly and more confidently. So give it a try, because it's time to buy cars the new way, your way.